Hello and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. My name is Morris, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace an image in Canva. So guys, you're designing something on Canva and you realize you want to change the image or you want to attach a new image into your design. It's quite easy to do this. All you need to do is open up a design or a blank canvas, as the case may be. So you need to be actively designing in order to get this done. And then once you've opened it up, head over to your uploads. So make sure you have images on your upload that you would actually like to, use. And now in order to replace an image, let's say we want to replace this image over here. That's why it's highlighted. All you need to do is just simply delete it. So just go ahead and delete it and then click on the new image you'd like to add and then simply reduce it to fit into the area of the previous image. Now, once you've done that, you have successfully replaced that image by just simply adding and, resizing. The only other alternative to this is an image that contains a frame. You could just simply select the image and click on replace with your upload and it's done. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily get this done. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And also please click on share and select download in order to download your finished product or your finished design. Thank you.